सम्मेलन में एयर चीफ मार्शल अमनप्रीत सिंह ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर और वायुसेना को लेकर बड़ा बयान दिया। एयर चीफ मार्शल ने कहा कि एयर पावर के बिना हर ऑपरेशन अधूरा है। यह ऑपरेशन सिंदूर से साबित हो चुका है। उन्होंने कहा कि हर मिशन की रीढ़ एयर पावर है। उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि ये युद्ध पूरे देश ने जीता है। युद्ध कौशल और वायुसेना की मजबूती की बात कहते हुए एयर मार्शल ने कहा कि हमें इस मंत्र को मानना चाहिए कि प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए। वहीं अपने बारे में उन्होंने कहा कि कमिटमेंट करने के बाद मैं अपनी भी नहीं सुनता।
That as far as Indian Air Force is concerned, I know we are a seafaring nation and we need to be the big naval power. But I think whether it's a land power or naval power, Air Force will always remain. The air power will have to be interesting to both these. Any kind of operations that we do, we can't do it without air power, and I think that has been proved very well during this operations also. So our focus as far as air power is concerned, we need to make sure that we have to have the capability plus the capacity. This again has been alluded to today. We cannot just talk about producing in India. We need to start designing and developing in India also. And when it comes to producing in numbers, the capacity comes in. So we need to have this trust between the forces and the industry continued. We need to have the communication continued. We need to be open with each other. We need to be very open and forthright with each other so that this relationship doesn't break down anywhere. You know, that pran jaye par vachan na jaye. I am just told today only. I think that is something that we have to do. That एक बारी जो हमने commit किया है, फिर मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता, है ना?
वहीं इस सम्मेलन में